A little fun combo I came across the other day, and now I want to do a tutorial. It requires some plane control spinning on the vertical wall plane, the plane in front of you. It involves switching hands, and there is the neck spin involved. There are a couple of tutorials on neck spins out there, so check those out. But note, this is the neck spin from spinning outwards, and most tutorials focus on the other direction, on spinning inwards, but it works basically the same way. So what am I doing here? Just a quick start guide. You spin inwards. I just showed it from spinning towards the sofa. So spinning inwards around the opposite leg, like this. Catch with this hand, right into the next spin. Catch again, around the same side leg. Catch here into the hourglass, then tunnel the space with your elbow out into this triangle. Take this diagonal line, trace through into this triangle, then lift your hand above your head, let go of the fiber end, grab the fiber bundle near the handle and trace out. And that is the whole combo. I think for those of you who are right-handed, it might be easier to follow if I do it spinning towards the dragon tree, because then you can mirror me. But as I said, anyway, there's switching hands involved. You need both hands and maybe a direction you're not really comfortable with. So start with your silver side hand spinning towards the dragon tree. There are 2 points where you spin under the leg, one at the beginning and then another one into the hourglass. For these 2 points, the plane is not exactly wall plane, so not at a real right angle in front of you, but a little bit tilted, because you need to spin in front of your knee. If you have a really clean wall plane, it would just wrap up around your leg, but you want it here in front, so you need that plane a little bit tilted. So you start here, spinning towards the dragon tree, then spin around the dragon tree side leg, so the opposite leg from the spinning hand, like this, and catch the whip here with the dragon tree side hand. Like so, a little bit from an angle, so to here. And from there, when you first try this, maybe you do some extra spins. So now it's your dragon tree side hand spinning outwards. And then from there you go into the outwards neck spin. As I said in the beginning, you may start just spinning here, around the leg, do some extra spins until you're comfortable, and then go into the next spin. And step by step, reduce these extra spins until you can go just from spinning here with your silver side hand, around the leg, and right into the next spin. During that spin up into the next spin, you have to let the fiber slide a little bit through, because when you catch here, you have about this length, more or less. But for the next spin, you need some extra length. If you do it really short, it will be really fast, so you want a bit more length for the next spin, and you achieve that by letting the fiber slide through your fingers. So you start here, and then you see at the end of the next spin, I have this length, and I started with that. Again, for the next spin, check out other tutorials, and note it's the outward spin where you already touched your neck right here. Then the handle comes up here, and you can imagine just with your nose to direct the handle and send it painting a line along the ceiling, and then it comes back behind you like so. So, like this. When you come back from the next spin, you catch the whip again with the silver side hand. So there's a second hand switch here. So you're spinning, coming on and like this. You catch, and then you spin here under the leg and catch immediately again with this hand, but you still keep the fibers in the silver side hand, just to that point, just that direction. So spinning here towards the dragon tree, next spin, catch, and then you let it spin another time in front of your knee, make sure you don't hit yourself, and catch the handle, and you're in this hourglass. Nice on that part. So from the next spin, catch, 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 when you're here in this hourglass. And then from here, keep your balance. I just put my foot down because I have to explain it now. It's this, you twist the hourglass open in this direction, so the hand that holds here, this angle goes to the front and over to the other side, and this elbow tunnels this space that you create here. The elbow tucks in, and then you can open your leg, balance, like so, and you have this triangle. Once again from here, you come out of the next spin, catch, 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 twist open, tuck the elbow in, turn that leg out, you're in this triangle. And the last step, you see this triangle, this line here from behind the arm to behind the leg. You take this line, and then you have this space here between the arm and the whip here. Then you take this line here behind, let go of the fibers with this hand, and then you tunnel this space, go through with the elbow, and you're in this trace triangle, an overarm triangle in this case. And from here, you just lift your arms up and right to behind your hand, and there you can let go of the fiber end, re-grab here the fibers near the handle, and when you pull the handle and let the fibers slide through, you can trace it off. Once again, putting it all together with the sofa side hand spinning towards the dragon tree, around the opposite leg, catch, next spin, catch, 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 twist, and let's tuck in, open the leg, balance, take this line, tunnel this space, triangle, lift it up, oops, open and trace off. And that's it. One more time showing the other direction. Everything is mirrored, so you start with your dragon tree side hand spinning towards the sofa. Around the opposite leg, catch. Make sure it comes in front of you, in front of your knee. And then at first, maybe 1 or 2 extra spins until you go in the next spin, catch here again. Around the leg, front of the knee, catch here, turn open, elbow tunneling here, and turn your leg open to present the triangle. Take the fiber strand that is here from behind your arm, behind your leg, and tunnel this space between this part of the fibers and your arm. So go here. In this triangle, lift it up, let go of the fibers here, re-grab the fibers near the handle, and you can trace behind your head.